Once you have assigned a resource to a course, the students of that course will be able to access the resource in Schoology. They'll simply log into Schoology as they normally would to access grades and other course materials. They will now see a link to the resource located in your course. To access the resource, your students will click the link as shown here. They may have to re-authenticate through Schoology when the resource appears. Once done, they can view the resource as a student. If the resource has assessments, the student will be able to answer them and submit their responses. More information about how you can grade responses, track standards, and save grades will be found in the link in the description.